there were problems, especially with the young Irish kids. For example, to go to Cheder, we had to pass a parochial school. And if we could time it right, we didn't pass it at the time the kids were being let out. And because that's where the problems would usually be, if they're going to be, being called kike, that kind of thing. And so we would run. I wasn't a track star, but I was a runner in high school and college. And I say I learned early. When I had to run, I learned to run. But what was fascinating also was the fact that just beyond that Irish neighborhood was in those days it was Negro, a black neighborhood. And once we got there, we felt we're safe. We don't have to worry about anything. And even getting out of Cheder late when it was dark, we had to go through that same neighborhood, and we never thought in terms of any kind of being any kind of danger or anything. So and then also the advantage of getting out in the dark is, by that time most of the kids that could have plagued us, the Irish kids, were home, so that we didn't have to think in those terms. But that's what it was, yeah. And but as I said, in public school, I don't remember anything like fights because you were a Jew. I'm sure there was anti-Semitism because at that period of time in American history, there was a lot of anti-Semitism from the home or the church, for that matter. But I think in our situation, I say kids from that neighborhood that I lived in, I don't remember fights. And if there were fights in school, whether it was Jewish involvement or not, there was only fists. When we started hearing about kids carrying knives and all that stuff, it was, my God, it was just like never in our day.